The human being has always gone somewhere, sometimes to distant, sometimes to near places. He used various means of transportation. He did this by getting help from animals, camels, horses. He used horse-drawn carriages for easier transportation. But over time, he tried to find something better than this. Finally, he found the car. Although it is quite difficult to say which was the first automobile in history, the Benz patent motor wagon, produced by Carl Benz, is generally considered the first automobile. However, there are those who consider Cugnos Fardier to be the first automobile. The Benz patent motor wagon was a vehicle produced by Carl Benz in 1885 and is considered the first automobile in history. The Benz patent motor wagon, patent motor vehicle, produced by Carl Benz in 1886, was the world's first production of a motorized automobile for transporting people. The original cost of the vehicle in 1886 was 600 German imperial marks, approximately $150. The vehicle was granted German patent number 37435, which Carl Benz applied for on January 29, 1886. Following official procedures, the patent application date of November 1886 was also the patent date of this invention. Henry Ford. If we're talking about cars, we have to talk about Henry Ford. The introduction of the Ford Model T automobile in 1908 is considered to have revolutionized both transportation and American industry. As sole owner of the Ford Motor Company, Ford became one of the richest people in the world. The Ford Model T is an automobile produced by the Ford Motor Company between October 1, 1908 and May 26, 1927. It is generally considered the first mass-market automobile, which made automobile travel possible for middle-class Americans. The relatively low price was partly the result of Ford's efficient manufacturing, which incorporated assembly line production rather than individual handcrafting. The savings from mass production allowed the price to drop from $780 in 1910, equivalent to $26,322 in 2024, to $290 in 2024, 1924, $5,321 in 2024 dollars. It was designed by three principal engineers: Joseph A. Galam, chief engineer, Eugene Farkas, and Child Harold Wills. The Model T was popularly known as the Tin Lizzie. The Ford Model T was voted the most influential car of the 20th century in the 1999 Car of the Century competition, ahead of the BMC Mini, Citroën DS, and Volkswagen Beetle. Ford's Model T was successful not only because it provided cheap transportation on a large scale, but also because it symbolized innovation for the rising middle class and became a powerful symbol of the modernizing era of the United States. With over 15 million units sold, it was the best-selling car in history until it was surpassed by the Volkswagen Beetle in 1972. Cars started to develop after that. Many car models emerged. New companies were established. Mercedes, BMW, Toyota are the most famous car brands in the world. These companies now design special cars for businessmen and government officials. Maybach is one of the most important ones. Cars have also entered the world of sports. One of these is the rally race. Rally is an automobile race that is conducted on a road partially or completely open to normal traffic at a predetermined average speed. A rally can consist of either a single route that all cars follow or multiple routes without following a common route, meeting at a meeting point that is determined in advance and may not have a common road afterwards. Another of these races is Formula One. Formula One, also known as Formula One or F1, is the highest international series of races for single-seater open-wheel cars, sanctioned by the International Automobile Federation, FIA. The FIA Formula One World Championship has been one of the leading forms of racing worldwide since its inaugural season in 1950. Off-roading is the activity of driving or traveling by vehicle over irregular surfaces, such as sand, dirt, gravel, riverbeds, mud, snow, rocks, and other natural terrain. Cars, which were initially produced for faster transportation, have now become a vehicle used to show off a sporty, luxurious life to others. Engines from other cars can be installed in other vehicles. People have begun to modify the vehicles they buy as they wish. They have not even hesitated to spend money for this. From the past to the present, the car has undergone a great evolution. Of course, this evolution was created by the superior intelligence of human beings. Next time, we will talk about another topic. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.